What's up, guys? It's Xidane and Annie, and we're back with another epic challenge. So
today we'll be doing the drawing challenge, and this challenge is where I'll be drawing on his back while he guesses what I am drawing. If he gets it right, he gets a point. So
let's get right into it.
All right.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Come on, one day. What the hell? Xidane,
Yeah.
that's nothing.
Oh.
That's hard. You know what that?
You finish? You finish?
Mm-hmm. You finish?
Yeah.
No!
Whoa.
This is so bad. I don't know what the hell this is.
Wow. So 1-0.
One for you. And none for me. So let's see now.
Ready?
Let me change paper. Then you cheat a while ago though. That was really hard. Kinda, let me turn this paper. Fix the paper then. No, and I'm here. Let me fix the back so you're back kinda. You ready? Okay.
Ready?
Yep. So it's a chair. Let's see what he comes up with.
No. You're the hard man.
Yours was hard too. Very hard. So guys, it's 1-1.
Please remember to like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell.
Yeah, so you get notified when new video is out. So we're ready? Then
Anything?
yeah. Press harder. That you do that over. You know when you say I carried out. I'm gonna get that. I'm sorry. What? No, you're cheating.
Oh.
Me no. You don't finish yet? My God. Really? Let me see it. That's a good one. I can't believe.
So I go so.
Are the wheel, let me know.
When I go so, Mom, I saw you going. When I go so, I saw you.
Come and say one car, so just draw one car and done it. Yes, it's 2-1. My turn.
Yeah.
So how much did what much you do already?
2-1.
No, not the score. 3. So it's the fourth one. So we have. Fix your back. Yep. Alrighty. Ready? Alright, what's that? Wait, Rosalyn. What is this? Earphones.
Ew.
Earphones. So 3, 1. Is this line up properly with the camera? Ready. Look at that toe. Huh? What's that? Did I even get that? Finish? What is it?
Go. Yeah. Don't do this one. Hey!
Me not see.
Good. It's a lamp!
Well, it almost look like. Let me get it today. Don't?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lamp.
Well, how much is it?
4-1.
4-1.
Lisa.
Yes. And for the last one, I will be doing the drawing. So,
Who likes my drawing?
come get the paper. So for the last one, I know it's not gonna get it. So,
Stretch it out with baking soda.
whatever that means. Ready? Fix the paper properly. Guys, I know I have to win this.
What?
You right over? Ready? You're such a random. I don't even know. What does they have? I guess that's it. No! It's a butterfly! My God! Right, it's a butterfly. So I'm the winner. It's 5-1.
So yes, peeps, that's it for today.
I hope you enjoyed our little video.
There's
Short.
more coming.
Right. Please leave your comments, like, share, subscribe to DNA Out and About. And see you next time.
Bye.